Casa Piva, a testament to the artistry of BE architecture, is a modest yet captivating dwelling that unfolds like a carefully curated narrative. Nestled within a serene suburban setting, this home invites exploration through a series of intimate courtyards, each offering a unique glimpse into the heart of the residence. The exterior of Casa Piva presents a restrained facade, hinting at the rich experiences that lie within. Upon entering, visitors are greeted by a striking courtyard, adorned with mature trees that pierce the roofline, casting dappled light upon the space below. This evocative entrance evokes the grandeur of an Italian villa, setting the stage for the journey ahead. As one delves deeper into the home, a captivating interplay of light and shadow emerges. The interior spaces, enveloped in a moody, almost monastic ambience, are punctuated by the warmth and texture of Evenex Sincro in Tuscan Oak. This versatile material, seamlessly integrated into wall paneling, joinery, and doors, imparts a timeless elegance to the environment. The grain of the wood, carefully manipulated to create visual interest, adds depth and complexity to the surfaces, transforming them into focal points within each room. The kitchen, a central hub of the home, showcases the transformative power of Evenex Sincro. The rich, warm tones of the Tuscan Oak cabinetry create a sense of comfort and inviting warmth. The carefully considered design, characterized by clean lines and functional layouts, maximizes the limited space while maintaining a sense of spaciousness. Beyond the kitchen, Casa Piva offers a variety of thoughtfully designed spaces. 3 bedrooms, each with its own unique character, provide private retreats for rest and relaxation. A flexible study, doubling as a TV room and guest bedroom, offers versatility and adaptability to suit various needs. The master bedroom, a sanctuary of tranquility, features a generous layout and luxurious finishes, including the signature Evenex Sincro wall paneling. Through the masterful use of Evenex Sincro and a curated selection of materials, BE architecture has created a home that is both aesthetically pleasing and functionally efficient. Casa Piva is a testament to the power of design to elevate the everyday, transforming a modest dwelling into a captivating and inspiring space. In this video, we've explored the stunning Casa Piva, a testament to the artistry and innovation of BE architecture. From its inviting courtyard to its thoughtfully designed interiors, Casa Piva is a masterpiece of modern living. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of Casa Piva. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring architecture and design content. Thank you for watching.